What's up guys, it's Bobby here, and welcome to the How to Grow Your YouTube Channel in 2020 tips to get more views, subscribers, and make more money on YouTube, right? So today I'm going to talk about tip number 16, the 7 types of contents that will work on YouTube, right? Okay, so let me recap yesterday's tip, which was tip number 15, optimizing your videos. Optimizing your titles, tags, and description using the main keyword or phrase in the 3, right? Integrating it into your description paragraph, into your tags, and into your title. The first 50 characters of your title. And because YouTube algorithm can read your metadata, right? Which is the tags and things like that, and the subtitles, and all, so they cannot read your video. That's the thing. All right? So tip number 16, the 7 types of contents that work on YouTube. All right? So if you're stuck, try some of these. Number 1, how-tos. Right? Does that sound familiar? How to grow your YouTube channel. Right? Number 2, compilations. Right? So best of Bobby's best 10 videos, and you do clips of those. Right? Number 3, lists. The top 5 things you can do to grow your YouTube channel. The 4th one, reviews. The legendary marketer review. The ClickFunnels affiliate marketing reviews. ClickFunnels affiliate program review. Interviews. So JV, joint venture interviews. Interviews with how to build the email lists, like the ones I did up there. Interviews of how to do ClickFunnels affiliate marketing. Interviews of how the CEO of this Chrome store app actually develops his product, right? Any type of interviews. And like I mentioned in earlier tips, you can do collaborations, right? Collaborations with people with the same niche or target market and has about the same audience size, right? So you guys can grow together. Collaboration, guys. Case studies, how I grew my channel from 0 to 1,000 members, right? Guides, tutorials, and products, right? So if you have a guide of the top 30 tips, right? Series review, or ultimate guide to creating a lead magnet, ultimate guide to affiliate marketing. So ultimately, whatever content style isn't better than the other, right? It depends on your niche, your target market. It depends on your audience. So you have to try all of them, right? To figure out which type your audience prefers. So have fun with it. Try all of them and stick to tomorrow's tip, 11 a.m. Eastern time, which is tip number 17, about commenting and getting more subscribers doing so, okay? So, like I said, guys, if you guys do have any questions, just drop the comment down below and let me know which type of content works well with your audience. Please comment down below. Give me a thumbs up if you do like this. Subscribe with the notification bell. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace out, guys.